Hi, did you know you can make nice toys from an old hard drive? Here I have a hard drive that I opened up. I took out the motor, I took out the discs. Basically the discs look like this, these are metal discs. And I also removed the electronics, and from this I made this toy. Basically you can see here, these are the discs, and now the motor can be separated. So the electronics will drive the motor, and the electronics are driven by a 12-volt battery and a 5-volt supply. So when I put the discs in the motor, I apply the power and the drive will spin up. It will spin quite fast, and when it's on speed I can remove it, and now here you have this gyroscopic effect. It's basically a spinning toy. You can also use the rope to get this effect. Really weird. And because it spins so fast, it really can be used quite a while before you have to recharge it. So when it's done spinning, you can put it back into the motor, apply the power again. There we go. And we can use it again. And you can put it on the table and look at the gyro effect. Please have a look at the video. I will show you how I built this little toy.
First, I remove the electronics and the top cover. After unlocking the disc pickup arm, I unscrew the motor hub to remove the disc. Now I can unscrew the motor from the housing. To remove the spindle from the motor, I put it in a vise and tap the shaft. You have to slightly enlarge the hole of the motor housing. Now I make the base of the toy. I drill 3 holes for the motor mount. Then I screw 3 standoff bushings in the base. Now I solder the 4 wires on the electronics board. And solder the other end to the motor. I added some epoxy glue to strengthen the connections. I'm using self-adhesive Velcro to mount the battery holders to the base. Now the electronic board can be positioned. It is also mounted to the base with Velcro. I do the same with the 5-volt step-down supply. Now the 2 battery packs can be connected in series. Then the 12-volt battery wires are soldered to the switch and then to the 5-volt supply and the electronics board. Almost done. The batteries can be inserted. I placed 3 discs on the motor spindle for extra weight. I also mounted a metal bushing on the spindle shaft. It needs to be tight. Then I screwed an M5 rod into this bushing. And now you have a spinning top. Let's give it a try. When applying power, the motor will spin the spindle to around 7000 RPM. This makes the spinning discs into a nice gyro.